Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. If you already subscribed, thanks for it. In this video, we are going to learn how we can use Proto DataStore in our application. As you know that share preferences is deprecated. In place of share preferences, now we have data store preferences and data store proto. So in the previous video, I have explained about data store preferences with a very simple example. Here also I am taking another very simple example, and by this you will understand what is the use of proto and how you can implement it in your application. In other videos also on YouTube, you will have a live data also or flows also to implement with this. So in this example, I am not adding this. I am just giving a basic concentration on Proto, because once you will understand the implementation of Proto, then you can easily link with it live data, because live data is just to preserve the state of the information. So here we are just learning how we can use the information, how you can store the information by using a proto. As you know that proto is a type safe, means if you have a integer, float, string type of value and you want to store same kind of value without using a room database or SQLite, then we can use proto. So here I am giving a same example. If you see this example, we have the seek bar. With the help of this seek bar, I can change the color of the text. You see I can change the color of the text. You see the color is changing. But whenever I run this application in second time, I lost my setting. If I run it again, and you see that again we have lost the setting. So that is the use of proto. So I want to use to store the information of this red, green and blue in proto, and once I restart my application, the same information where I am leaving this red, where I am leaving this green and blue, it should be same information I should retrieve. That is the use of this kind of data store. So how I can do it? I show you once again also that I lost the information again. If it run, then that means I lost the information. You see information is lost. So how we can do? So just we have the simple screen, you know that simple layout, you can draw this layout. It's very easy, you can see. So just I design the seek bar here, and minimum value of seek bar is 0, maximum is 255, because RGB color is start from 0 to 255. Similarly you can set. So same information, and in main activity you see that I have enabled view binding. It took the variable for red, green, blue color, and I enable this view binding, and I take this seek bar on seek bar change listener, and I just implement this listener and I override 3 methods. So in on progress change method, I just took the blue color from this P1 and I set the value of RGB here. Similarly, I did the same task in other also red, green, blue. So whenever you change the color, then automatically the text color also change. But it does not preserve the value. Now how you can preserve the value, that I am going to explain you. So for that, first of all we have to add dependencies also, and then we will start to work. So first thing is to open an internet, which is must, and here just you type data store Android, and you will see that one link will open for dependencies. So I have this link, and here from this I will just copy this first for Proto DataStore. So this dependency I will enter here. It is first dependency. Remember to insert the dependency is the first dependency for Proto. Then second dependency is coroutine. So I have to write here coroutine Android coroutine dependency. Coroutine dependency. So just click on first link and you will have the coroutine, and just copy this one coroutine dependency and paste this one like this. So coroutine is done. Now what I have to do, I have to open this again data. We have data data store, and I go down to data store and I click on this working on data store, because I have to add some other dependencies also that is required. So what I do, just I click on this information to insert the dependency. So what I do, these are the dependency for Protobuf. So copy this line and I just open it and I insert this one here like this for Protobuf, and again I just copy this dependency also for Java, converting this. I have already add this dependency of coroutines, data store. So I just copy this and I paste this one also here. Last thing that I have to copy this information to convert the Protobuf into Java file. So for that I just insert it after the dependencies here, and now I just do synchronization. You see? So what is the error? Okay, this back is not required. Back button, try again. You see, build successful. So it is done. Dependency, all dependencies we have added here. Now what I have to do, I have to create a proto folder. Remember that, change it here from to project and go to main directory, and in main directory create a one directory. So do new, create a directory and give the name proto. Remember, name should be proto in a small letter, name is proto. Now you have to create a file, proto file. So click here and create a file here and give the name, any name. I'm giving here color info and dot proto. Remember, the extension should be proto, color info dot proto. So this file is created, and remember that this file is also read by a editor. So that editor we can install here. To go to the setting, go to plugin, and here I have just installed one plugin, that is protocol buffer editor. So I have installed it. If you have not installed, so go to this marketplace and type here protobuffer, this protobuffer editor, and install it. Simple, it will show here the icon of installation. Click it and install it. So I have it already installed. So then you will read the instructions on this. So now what I have to do, just go to the previous page here, data store, and now what I have to do, I have to follow the instructions for proto. The instructions is starting from here. Just copy this syntax, copy this one and paste it in this file, and remember that it should be protocol 3, and here you should write your protocol, your package name, sorry. So what the package name, I have this name, package name. So I open manifesto file and I copy this package name here, copy, do, and just change this package name first. Now I need some other data store. So I need here red, first one, then I say second also in 32, that is green, that would be 2, remember, and then int 32 blue color, it is 3. So this is not a value, it's a number, that red is first, green is second, and 3 is third. So just give the number here. If you have other data type also, just change data type here, string into 64, anything you can write. All I need only integer value, that's why I am here taking database as data type. I am taking data type as a int32. So this is done. Now what I have to do, proto file is done. So I have to once again go down here, and now I have to create this serialize file. So I copy this one serialize file I need to create a class. So go to this, so create here new class, Kotlin class, and give here a name. I say it color serializer, color serializer. Just open this, and here I just what I do, I just paste here and I convert this to class and I change it to color serializer like this. And remember that this is serializer class, so I have to import this package. So alt enter, so we have entered it. Now in place of setting, I have given the name color info. Remember that the name of this is, sorry, this is setting, I have to change it also. So I say color info, any name you can give, that will convert into class. So color info. So here I will replace this setting with color info. So I say color info. So you see it is showing, it will show error, not finding this class. So how it will find this class? So first of all, I have to go this and I have to rebuild this project. Whenever I will rebuild, it will create one file here, and or all the classes in color info. This class and the field required for this will be created under this here. It will take little bit of time. So unresolved here setting. So what I do, I just change the name of this again and I say color info because it's showing error right now, and I say color info. Again I change it to color info like this, and I just import this one like this, and setting would be convert to color info like this. Done. And I just insert this also, and I insert package of this also, remember, and I have to convert this into color info. Okay, now I have to import this also. Done. Then I have to import this one also. I will import later on because I have to copy this in another file. I have to change it to color info. You see this class is coming now because of the rebuild. And here I have to replace some other file also. Just I give you the one more thing, that now I have to create one more class. So I'm creating that class here. So that class name is I give the name here, that proto, we can say proto color. Okay, and I create this class, and in this class what I do, I just cut this coding because this code is required here. So I cut it and I paste this here, and this is required context. So I just open this, import this context. Now it is data store, it is required, just import this also. It is also required, import this also. And this file should be, the file is color serialize. So I have to create an object here. So I will say that color serialize like this. So I have created this one also. And what I need here context also. So I pass here context like this, and I give the name here val. So I create it here. Now just go to this file. For reading information we have to use this much of code, so I have to copy this for reading purpose, go there and here just paste it. Now once again I have to go there. For writing purpose I have to create a suspended function, copy this, and I will modify as per my requirement. So I copy this also. So I change the name of this to I say color, you can say update. Okay, color update, and here I will pass the value like red that I will get, then I will red, green and blue I will pass it. And here in place of current setting I will use the color info, like this, and here I will use color info like this. And here in place of this, what I want to set, because set I will do dot set your blue, red set red, green, blue, because we have used this property. If you see, we have a red, green, blue, so same property will be available here. So I am passing here red, and once again dot, then set green, so I will pass here green color, and I will pass here set blue, and I will pass here blue like this. So update is ready, color update. Now what I do, so function is created, we have to use this also for reading information. So here I say so color info, color we can say get color info like this. And here is a flow, just I have to import, I have to use the flow also, and coroutine flow, and in place of int I have to pass a class name, and that class name is color info. Okay, that class we want to return, the color info class. And in place of I want to get it is serialize color info object, and here in place of this I have to remove this one, and here I have to check the exception here, that exception is here or not. And here I check that you can say exception like this, if exception is IO exception like this, so I will print here, I will log the event, I can log event that color info, and here I will print exception dot message dot toString like this, and I just import this one also, and I will return the color info dot get default instance like this, and else I will return what I do this one, return it, and I can display here also exception. So I just say throw exception like this. So we are throwing exception here. If is IO exception, then we are doing this, and we have read the information in get color info. Like this is ready. So once again I try to rebuild it. So I think it will clean now. So it is clean. Now I have to use it. So it is done. So data is ready, class is ready, proto color class is ready. Now I have to use this class in my main file. So I will create this object here. I say let init where, and I say proto color like this, and I will create the object of this in on start, or I can create here also. Just create a object proto color equal to proto color and pass here application context like this. So this object is ready. Now I want to override a method that is on start. In this method, what I will do, in this method I will load the information that is already saved. So that would be in this file. So what I do, I create, I say color info, and I say where color info equal to, and I say proto color dot get color info. So I will have this information. Now what I do, I say red equal to color info dot get that red. I will use collect first of all, because it's a flow. So color info dot collect like this, and here I use red equal to it dot red like this, and green equal to it dot green, and blue equal to it dot blue, because it's generating some error because it want to be in coroutines. So here I say global scope dot launch, and here I will use it under the coroutine. So I just cut it and paste it, and here I decide the dispatcher, and I say, so that would be dispatcher would be in main thread like this. So information is done, and here I can create a val also. So we are reading information in red, green, blue, and whenever I read this information, so I can also update the information, means I can change the color also. So I change the color also same time, and I have to set the binding dot seek bar red dot set progress, and here I just enter red because it's a red information. Similarly, I update for green and for blue also. So I change it to green like this. Here I change the color green, and here I say blue, and here I change the color blue. So the save information I am just getting here. But whenever a user change the information, this information, that information also be saved. So on stop I will save. So here I just start global scope.launch and dispatcher also for this coroutine, dispatcher.main. Here now I have to update. So for updating I say proto color dot update dot color update, and here I have to pass red, green and blue color like this. So we have called this color update also. It will call this function color update, and this information will be updated in the proto, and I will read this information, and these read information will be read here on start of the activity. Remember, and we will update the information in text also, in seek bar also. Now if everything is right, I run it. You see program is open. So I change seek bar here like this, and remember the position, I change it. Remember the color also, I give the color like this. Remember the color also, what the color is, and I just restart it once again. I just close this application and runs once again. I restart, and if it is okay, it will show me the save color. You see the same color is coming. Once again I just change it, this information. You say I just change it to red color, for example like this. I change it to this one like this. Now I restart once again. So I have to change this first of all like this, restart it. Some problem is there, green color problem is there. So what is the problem? Oh, problem is there because here I have do one thing, in place of red I have to say green like this. It's my mistake like this. Once again I run it. Once again I run it. You see, if I change it now, if I change it now, right now, so color is red. Once again I run it. You see red color is here. So means the information is storing in Proto DataStore, and the information is storing, remember that, and information is storing in integer format like this, and whenever I change it, automatically it update the information here like this. I have not update information in this, so I have to update information other also. So copy this one. One thing is because I updated in blue only, so it's not storing this information in all, so I have to paste here also because in red also, and I have to paste here also because in all seek bar I want to save the information. Now once again I run it. See, now it complete. So if I run it once again like this, and again I run it, so it will save information in all the seek bar. You see, same information is coming. So now this program is complete, and we are able to store information in Proto DataStore. And remember that it's a very simple example, and I used simple terms also, simple language also, and simple concept also. This is a minimum requirement which I used in this application. Now you can preserve the information also. If you want to use live data, you can use live data also. And if you don't know about live data, so I have made videos on that also, but now live data is also deprecated. We are using flow, state flow, shared flow. So I am also going to create some video on this concept also. So if you want to watch those video, please see also. In future I will make the videos on that also. So I think you have learned this concept Proto. It's very useful also, and you can implement easily now in your application. I think you have learned something from this video. If you really learn something and you want to appreciate me, please like this video, share this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.